Being a modern worker often feels like you're wading through a giant, massive digital document dump filled with duplicates, dead links, and multiple versions of the same doc with extremely confusing titles. So much time is wasted searching for the right file, the updated spreadsheet, or the gatekeeper who can grant you access to whatever it is you need to do your job. And then there's the horror stories about accidental deletions. It's all very tedious, annoying, and a major drain on productivity. In fact, Forrester Research estimates that knowledge workers lose an average of nearly a day and a half every single week just creating, reading, or searching for information. That's a lot of digital paper pushing. And if you have a customer waiting for a response, you might strain or destroy a relationship. The issue, which we'll call the content chaos problem, is a symptom of having disparate data silos. Things like email, CRMs, line of business applications, external client portals, file systems, file sharing applications, etc., etc., etc. And on top of that, there are compliance and security considerations. And let's be honest, if you can barely find the right piece of content, chances are you're struggling to make sure it's properly protected and managed. So, how do we create a solution that completely avoids the content chaos problem? Well, we need to start with a central searchable repository with unified governance and security to bring all these disparate silos together. And since the volume of documents will inevitably grow, the repository must easily scale. The advantages are numerous. Once housed under a single and secure digital roof, you can tag each document with metadata and set up access controls and permissions to ensure that the right people or teams have access to see, edit, and share the right content, all while adhering to regulations and best security practices at a robust, granular level. In addition, an ideal content services solution would both integrate with other LOB applications and allow you to do everything under the sun to a document, namely merge, split, annotate, redact, edit, comment on, configure, and of course, upload. And by serving as a single source of truth, the central repository should ensure that all stakeholders are quite literally on the same page. No duplicate content and no inconsistent file structures. The benefits to all this are pretty obvious. You save time, which can help improve your customer experience. You streamline content management, which can make payments, approvals, and verifications a breeze. And key in our hybrid workforce world, you can tap into the cloud to securely search for and access content from anywhere in the world and on any device. Finally, a content services solution is also more than just a secure repository. It also mitigates compliance risk by empowering you to apply unified content governance processes from a single, comprehensive, and scalable solution. That is particularly important because when there's sensitive customer information or trade secrets, you want to make sure that's secure. And this protects your company from major liabilities. All of this sounds great, but building it from scratch or even simply relying on cloud storage or file share applications is extremely time and resource intensive. And meeting governance standards is a major challenge with serious potential consequences if you're not making it work. But if you click on the link below, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial of IBM Content Services. And remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tech content.